It's 3 easy steps. The first thing you're going to do is film everything. Next thing, you'll be inspecting everything. And finally, you'll be documenting everything. First thing I want to do is I want to show up before it's nighttime. And I'm just going to take one photo. Quickly film the front yard, top down, and we're going to do 360 around the exterior of the home, looking at everything from the spigots, the windows, the roof line, the shingles. You're moving quickly, not stopping to inspect anything. You got the power meter, you got the gas shut off, you got shingles because it's a one-story house. You can easily see the roof line, driveway, you got some cracks there coming into the entrance. Okay, now I have one video done of 360 to outside. I'm going to go inside and do the same kind of methodical nature, taking a video from top, middle, bottom, and try to do 360 every room. Now, right when we walk inside the door, we want to stop and do a quick 360, and we're catching everything from like a thermostat to the AC air filter return vent right there. You got AC vents in the ceiling, the chandelier in the ceiling. I mean, this footage is golden. There's so much helpful things that you can get when you go room by room and you film top down and like all around in a 360. Mind you, you're not stopping to inspect anything. You're just trying to get footage of the whole entire property. And when I film a room, I like to move myself to the outside wall as I film across, so there's more area in the screen, and I'm capturing more of the room. And you'll notice here in the big open living room, dining room area, notice how I move far to the opposite side of the room as I'm filming across, and I'm going up, down, and I'm moving in a 360. I'm not stopping to inspect anything. I've already unlocked and turned on all the lights. If the footage is a little blurry, it's still okay. You can use this footage, but it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the point that I'm getting at. Now, when all the filming is done, this is when you take your time and you actually inspect everything. Appliances, you're opening up cabinets and looking in closets and everything. In this case, I noticed the microwave filters underneath the microwave are dirty. They're going to need to be clean. And then also the windows, I'm taking pictures of that, documenting those. The master bathroom had some hard water deposits on the glass of the shower door. All right, that's pretty much it. I'm in and out, maybe 10, 15 minutes. I just got out of the attic and I took a picture of the attic of the insulation because this home was built in 2020. So it's like 25 years old and we might need to put in some new insulation. Also, you want to notate anything that you can't capture with pictures, like smells or anything else, and save this footage, and that's pretty much it.